Hello everyone, this is Anisha Sharma, intern at LexClick and Company. I'm also a fourth year student at Modi University. The current video is related to a case before the Honorable Supreme Court where a civil service aspirant who had cleared the mains has moved to the court against the UPSC cancelling her caricature for not submitting degree certificates. Also, a disclaimer for the video: this video does not solicitate or promote any kind of advertisement for the firm, and the video is only for educational purpose. Coming on the video, the Supreme Court on Monday has adjourned to next week a plea filed by a civil servant aspirant whose caricature was cancelled by the UPSC on the ground that she has not submitted the requisite proof of educational qualification under Rule 7 and Rule 11 of the Civil Service Examination Rule 2020. The bench was hearded by it was a single judge bench, adjourned the hearing to the next week, that is 6th July, along with another petition on the similar issue. The facts of the matter are that as a result of the national lockdown due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the final examination of the petitioner's BTech course got delayed. The examination was conducted in the end of September 2020 and results were declared after November 2020. So the UPSC preliminary exams in October 2020 were in October 2020. So the petitioner gave an undertaking that she would submit the document as soon as the results are declared. The petitioner was required to submit the proof of qualifying examination by November 11 of 2020. Now, since the result of her university was not being announced by that time, the petitioner made a request to the UPSC to allow her to take the mains exam on an undertaking, on the basis of the undertaking that was signed by her. Her university result came out on November 28th of 2020 and she was declared pass by the university. She was later issued a provisional certificate by the university in January 1, 2021. She appeared in the mains exam. However, the plea submits that after appearing for the civil services mains exam, she received a letter which cancelled her caricature on the grounds that she has not submitted proof of requisite educational qualification that was required by the rules of the UPSC. So it is to be noted that the petitioner has given an undertaking to the respondent number 1 that she will submit proof of her qualification of a qualifying exam as soon as the results are published. Consequently, she has provided respondent number 1 with a requisite degree certificate also, but the same has not been considered by respondent 1 in the case. The plea goes on to the contended that an original copy of the document is required when the candidates appear for the personality test. However, therefore, execution of the petitioner without taking any consideration the fact that the result was declared after November 2020 on account of the unpredicted situation arising out of the COVID-19 leads to unreasonable and manifest arbitration, which resulted in denial of equal opportunity to the petitioner in the matter of public employment, which is against the Constitution. So, in the light of the above, plea states that cancellation of the caricature would render the whole year of the petitioner a waste due to no fault of hers and denying her the right to be considered for personality test would amount to grave injustice. This is what was pleaded by the petitioner, but now since that the Supreme Court has adjourned the hearing till 6th July, the verdict will be is still pending. Thank you.